Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to solve Adobe Express graphic design app not working. If you've been experiencing issues with Adobe Express freezing, crashing, or simply not loading properly, this guide will walk you through several troubleshooting methods that should get you back to designing in no time. First, let's start with the web browser version. Open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, look up to the upper right corner of your browser window where you'll find the three dotted lines icon, also known as the menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Delete Browsing Data. This is an important step because cache files and cookies can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, causing Adobe Express to malfunction. When the dialog box appears, you'll see options for what type of data to clear. Go ahead and click Delete Data to confirm. This process removes temporary files that might be interfering with the app's performance. After clearing your browsing data, the next crucial step is to restart your computer. This allows your system to refresh all processes and apply the changes you just made. A simple restart often resolves many technical issues by clearing the system's memory and resetting connections. Now, if you're using Adobe Express on mobile instead, the process is slightly different but just as effective. Long press the Adobe Express app icon on your home screen until a menu appears. From the options that pop up, select App Info. This will take you to the detailed settings for the Adobe Express application. Once you're in the App Info screen, look for and tap on Storage. Here you'll see two important options. First, click Clear Cache, which removes temporary files stored by the app. Then tap Clear Data. Clearing the data resets the app to its original state, which can resolve many persistent issues. After clearing the cache and data, you'll want to restart your device. To do this, hold down the power button until you see the power menu appear on your screen. From the options presented, select Restart. This ensures that all the changes you've made take effect properly. For those using Adobe Express on Windows, there's an additional method you can try. Open the Start menu and search for Apps and Features. Once you're in that Settings section, scroll through the list to find Adobe Express. When you locate it, click on the three dots next to the app name to reveal more options. From this menu, select Advanced Options. This takes you to a screen with several reset options. At the bottom, you'll see a button labeled Reset. Clicking this will reinstall Adobe Express while keeping your account settings intact, often fixing any underlying software corruption. And there you have it. You've now tried multiple methods to fix Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.